Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a product that I recently purchased online. It's called Hemp Oil by Pure Green Labs. I have a lot of issues like falling asleep and stuff, so I was looking for a product to help with that while naturally, because I've tried like Advil PMs and ibuprofen PM and stuff like that, and nothing really seems to be helping me. In fact, I felt like they were doing more harm than good because these products just would make me feel groggy the next day. And I really don't like to take any kind of pills that are medication or anything like that. I try to just do the all natural thing if I can. I've even tried melatonin and that didn't work out so well with me. So I'm like, why not give this a try? And so far I've had a really positive experience. This product is organic and GMO free. It's a full spectrum hemp oil and it's 1500 milligrams. And this one is, let's see how many. It's 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. It has the supplement facts in the back. So serving size is 1 dropper. So that would be 30 drops. There's 30 servings per bottle, only 4 calories in a serving. So that's literally nothing. Ingredients: pure cold pressed full spectrum hemp oil, 1500 milligrams of cannabis sativa based on a 2000 calorie diet. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is a dietary supplement and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So a few things I did read up a little bit on hemp oil before I purchased the product, of course. And of course, my main thing, like I brought up in the beginning, is that I definitely have issues sleeping and it does affect my mood. I'm a pretty laid back person for the most part, and I still am, but I would get like groggy. I just hate being tired. It just changes your whole day. It makes you feel groggy, and you know, usually I'd be like, I'm so excited to do something, and it's like when you wake up and it's like, it just feels more like a chore to do anything. So it's just like, oh, I'd rather just like stay in bed today, but I can't. I would sometimes go through moods like that, which was really hard on me. And it was mainly just because I was tired and for no reason other than the fact that I didn't sleep the night before. So that was something that was becoming really, really hard on me. But there are other great things about hemp oil that it could do for you if you don't have issues sleeping. For example, a little bit about the product. It's good for pain relief. Cannabis sativa has been shown to promote pain relief and help manage chronic pain you may be experiencing, and is done through an all-natural method. It's good for anxiety and stress relief. Hemp oil has the added benefit of helping manage your anxiety and stress, allowing you to feel calmer and more relaxed. It helps you sleep. If you have trouble falling asleep, you're not alone. Hemp oil has been shown to dramatically improve your mood and ability to fall asleep and stay asleep, which I have to say, I've been taking this about 30 minutes before I go to sleep at night, and it's certainly been helping with that. And I haven't been taking any ibuprofen PM or anything like that anymore. It's organic and GMO free. Some companies like to add fake sugars and preservatives to their hemp oil. Not this one. They provide 100% natural hemp oil in its purest form, and it is made in the USA. Their cold-pressed hemp oil made from cannabis sativa is made and manufactured in the USA for the freshest and highest potency hemp oil. So it's erections, 1 full dropper, 30 drops, under tongue for 30 to 60 seconds before swallowing, and may be used up to twice per day. And then again, it has the non-GMO label and THC free. Made in USA and manufactured for Extreme Nutrition LLC, Albany, New York. So I'm just gonna unscrew this and I want to show you guys what it looks like. Oh, another thing I just wanted to add, like at first when I first tried it, I was like, like the taste isn't great. It's like, it's hemp oil, so it's not like, I'm not expecting it to have a great flavor or anything like that. Sorry, I'm having a hard time doing this with just one hand. Flavor is really not, it's not horrible, but it's just, it's not great. It doesn't taste great. I don't really know how to explain to you what it tastes like, but it's like, It's not the worst thing you have in the world. I mean, I've had medicine that tasted a lot worse, so that's probably the worst of it. But yeah, you put like one of these, I guess you would put a full dropper. Look at this amount, this size. You could squeeze it under your tongue. leave it there for 30 to 60 seconds. See, it's like a yellowish color. And so you drop it in under your tongue like that. After 60 seconds, you could swallow it. I'm not really sure the reason for leaving it for 30 to 60 seconds. I don't know. Maybe it's just allowing your mouth or your body to absorb it before swallowing it. I'm not really sure the reason, but I do what the directions tell me, and I've had really positive results with it. Like I said, the worst of it is just, it's not the most pleasant taste, but it's not bad either. I feel like it would taste the same if you swallowed any kind of oil, you know. So it just takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's totally fine. And I really like it. I've had great results. It's easy, it's natural, organic, GMO free, and it's honestly so good for so many things. Like I mentioned, the pain relief, the anxiety and stress relief, and helping you sleep. So that can improve your mood and everything. So I would really, if you're having any kind of issues like that, I would definitely try out Pure Green Labs hemp oil. It's a really awesome product, and they're definitely a genuine product and something I would recommend to people. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope you try out Pure Green Labs hemp oil. Have a good one, guys.